Love is the most beautiful feeling in the world. It has the power to heal, to inspire, and to bring warmth to our hearts. Whether you're looking for the perfect words to express your feelings or simply want to celebrate love, this video is for you. Here are some of the most heartwarming love quotes to make her feel truly special. Asterisk. Let's start with timeless love quotes that have touched hearts for generations. I swear I couldn't love you more than I do right now, and yet I know I will tomorrow. Leo, Christopher, every day with you is a new adventure, and my love for you grows stronger with each passing moment. You are my sun, my moon, and all my stars. E.E. Cummings, you are my universe, my light in the darkness, and my greatest blessing. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. Emily Brontë, two hearts, one love, destined to be together forever. Love isn't just about words, it's about deep emotions, connection, and the little moments that make life extraordinary. Here are some love quotes that truly capture the depth of love. In a sea of people, my eyes will always search for you. No matter where I am, my heart is always drawn to you. I look at you and see the rest of my life in front of my eyes. With you, the future is beautiful, filled with dreams, love, and endless happiness. You are the finest, loveliest, tenderest, and most beautiful person I have ever known. And even that is an understatement. F. Scott Fitzgerald. Your love is beyond words, beyond descriptions, simply perfect. Sometimes love is fiery, passionate, and all-consuming. These quotes capture the intensity of being in love. I want all of you, forever, you and me, every day. Nicholas Sparks. No matter what, I choose you, today and always. I fell in love with the way you touched me without using your hands. Your presence alone is enough to make my heart race. To love is nothing. To be loved is something. But to love and be loved, that's everything. T. Tillis. Love is most beautiful when it's mutual, when hearts beat as one. Love isn't always grand gestures. Sometimes it's the little things, laughter, shared moments, and small expressions of love that make it truly special. You are the peanut butter to my jelly. We just fit perfectly together, like two pieces of a puzzle. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. Our journey together is the most wonderful story ever written. You make my world brighter, my heart lighter, and my life sweeter. Asterisk. Being with you feels like sunshine on a rainy day. True love isn't just for a moment, it's forever. These quotes remind us that love is a journey meant to last a lifetime. Grow old along with me, the best is yet to be. Robert Browning. With you, every moment is a blessing, and our love story will never end. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. Elizabeth Barrett Browning. With you, I become the best version of myself. I have found the one whom my soul loves. Song of Solomon 3:24. You are my soulmate, my forever love. Love stories in books and movies capture the emotions we sometimes can't put into words. Here are some unforgettable quotes. As you wish. The Princess Bride. Simple phrase. You have bewitched me, body and soul, and I love you. Pride and Prejudice. Love is undeniable, irresistible, and magical. I would rather spend one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. The Lord of the Rings. A love so strong, it defies time itself. The truth was ... he was in love with her. Totally over the line, no going back, not heaven dead, would he kind of shit. The best use of life is love. The best expression of love is time. The best time to love is now. Half of me is filled with bursting words, and half of me is painfully shy. I crave solitude, yet also crave people. I want to pour life and love into everything, yet also nurture my self-care and go gently. I want to live within the rush of primal, intuitive decision, yet also wish to sit and contemplate. This is the messiness of life, that we all carry multitudes, so must sit with the shifts. We are complicated creatures, and ultimately, the balance comes from this understanding. Be water, flowing, flexible, and soft, subtly powerful and open, wild and serene, able to accept all changes, yet still led by the pull of steady tides. It is enough. Why did he have to be so gorgeous? Why did he have to stand so close? And why did I still love him so much? I've loved him my whole life, and somewhere along the way, that love didn't change, but grew. It grew to fill the parts of me that I did not have when I was a child. It grew with every new longing of my body and desire until there was not piece of me that did not love him. And when I look at him, there's no other feeling in me. I had never thought I could love another person this much. I also never thought I'd live in such fear of losing another person. Was this how everyone in love felt? Did they all cling tightly to their beloved and wake up terrified in the middle of the night, afraid of being alone? Was that an inevitable way of life when you loved so deeply? Or was it just those of us who walked on a precipice who lived in such panic? You destroy me, and then you kiss me. You give me a reason to hate you, and then you give me a reason to love you. Is this a lie or the truth? Is the a ploy or your heart reaching for me? The heart is a strange beast and not ruled by logic. If you ever leave me again, she said, her eyes stinging, I swear to all the gods Percy had the nerve to laugh. Suddenly, the lump of heated emotions melted inside Annabeth. Consider me warned, Percy said. I missed you too. Images flashed through his mind. He saw Nico and his sister on a snowy cliff in Maine, Percy Jackson protecting them from a manticore. Percy's sword gleamed in the dark. He'd been the first demigod Nico had ever seen in action. Later, at Camp Half-Blood, Percy took Nico by the arm, promising to keep his sister Bianca safe. Nico believed him. Nico looked into his sea-green eyes and thought, how can he possibly fail? This is a real hero. He was Nico's favorite game, Mythomagic, brought to life. Jason saw the moment when Percy returned and told Nico that Bianca was dead. Nico had screamed and called him a liar. He'd felt betrayed, but still, when the skeleton warriors attacked, he couldn't let them harm Percy. Nico had called on the earth to swallow them up, and then he'd run away, terrified of his own powers and his own emotions. Why all these paintings of you? Because I'm an artist, Emma. These pictures are my heart, and if my heart was a canvas, every square inch of it would be painted over with you. I cannot pretend I am without fear, but my predominant feeling is one of gratitude. I have loved and been loved. I have been given much, and I have given something in return. I have read and traveled and thought and written. I have had an intercourse with the world, the special intercourse of writers and readers. Above all, I have been a sentient being, a thinking animal on this beautiful planet. And that in itself has been an enormous privilege and adventure. Some people are easier to love when you don't have to be around them. Love is proved the moment you let go of someone because they need you to. I love you like in the storybooks. I love you like in the ballads. I love you like a lightning bolt. I've loved you since the 3rd month you came and spoke with me. I loved that you made me want to laugh. I loved the way you were kind and the way you would pause when you spoke, as though you were waiting for me to answer you. I love you, and I am mocking no one when I kiss you. No one at all. Love is the most powerful force in the universe. It transcends time, distance, and even words. But sometimes a few simple words can make all the difference. If these quotes touched your heart, let us know in the comments which one resonated with you the most. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more heartwarming content, and share this with someone who needs a little extra love today. Until next time, keep spreading love and kindness. You are loved, you are cherished, and you are special.